To set up database list for face detection and license plate detection, we first come to the bottom left corner. Click on Setup, and then go to AI. From AI, we come to Recognition. In Recognition, we have Database Management, which is for face detection, and License Plate Management, which is for license plate detection. Setting up both of them is similar. I am going to show you how to set up using the database management. Now, you have 3 groups. You have the green group, the red group, and the black group. The green group normally goes for the faces you allow or the allowed faces in the environment. The red group, or as we labeled it, danger in this scenario, is for the faces we don't want. Say you have someone or a criminal that comes to steal something, and you want to be notified when next this person is around or when next the person is around the premises. You can add the person's face here, and the black is for stranger, for people who aren't registered in the database. You can import a database by clicking on the Import Database option. This works if you already have it on a USB key or on an external device which is connected to your NVR. You can also back up your database by clicking on the Backup Database option. Let's say the database you want to use is the database from your hard drive, which is on your NVR or your DVR. Note that to add a face to each of the database, you can only add to the allowed or danger groups using the Edit option, but not the stranger group. You can also change their names to whatever you want. But just know that allowed is green. This is the one you want or is allowed, and red is the ones you don't want. Let's say you wanted to add a face to the allowed group. You just need to come to the Edit option on the right and click on it. Now, you can import a face through different ways. If you click on Import, you can see that we can import from the local storage device of the NVR or an external storage device. Let's say we want to import from the local storage of our NVR. We click on Local Storage, and then we search the time period when we first saw the face or the time period when we can get the face we are looking for. Once you do that, for example, say you were to perform a search for the faces registered within a specific date and/or specific time period, you can then select the face you want, type in the name you want to name the face, and all the necessary details associated with the person in question, and you click OK. Once you click OK, that face will be added to the Allowed Faces group. In a similar fashion, you can also add faces to the Danger or Not Allowed group. The same thing goes for the license plate database. You have the Allowed group, the Red or Danger group, as well as the Unknown group. You can import a database or back up a database, and you can also edit the names of each group. For example, these license plate numbers are the ones we have in the Allowed database. So when these license plates are detected, they will be shown in green, indicating they are in the Allowed group. When the license plates that are put in the Red or Not Allowed list are detected, they will be shown in red. This is how to set up database lists for face detection and license plate detection.